Hi, I'm Emily.
I'm Danica. And I'm Morgan. And in this video, we're going to be talking about solar and heat energy.
We're going to explain and show examples of convection, conduction, and radiation.
First, let's talk about what solar and heat energy is. Solar energy is any type of energy that is emitted by the sun. Thermal energy is energy associated with the random motion of particles in matter.
Heat is a measure of the amount of thermal energy transferred between two objects having different temperatures.
Radiation is the transfer of energy by waves. Microwaves are a great example of radiation because they use electromagnetic radiation that is transmitted into radio waves to heat food. Here we used a microwave to make popcorn. The microwave radiates heat to raise the temperature of the kernels in the bag until they pop. The sun is another example of radiation because it is solar energy in the form of heat. The sun heats the earth just like a microwave heats food.
Convection is the transfer of thermal energy through liquids or gases. Boiling water is an example of convection because in this example, the heat passes from the burner into the pot, heating the water at the bottom. Then, the hot water rises and cooler water moves down to replace it, causing a circular motion. So, we took a block of ice cubes and put them in boiling water. When you add ice to hot water, some of water's heat melts the ice. The remaining heat warms the ice-cold water but cools the hot water in the process.
Conduction is the transfer of thermal energy through solids. Wax is a solid at room temperature. However, when the light below the wax is hotter than the air around the wax, this causes the wax to melt and become a liquid. Once the wax is taken away from the heat and is in contact with something colder, like a fork, the colder temperature of the fork transfers to the wax and it will cool back down into a solid.
To conclude, in this video we talked about convection, conduction, and radiation. Convection is the transfer of heat through a fluid, liquid, or gas caused by molecular motion.
Conduction is the transfer of heat or electric current from one substance to another by direct contact.
Radiation is energy that is radiated or transmitted in the form of rays or waves or particles.